Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Fast Track. If you just click in place, remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Uh, what I'll be talking about is about the fire. Fire engulfs the National Treasury House and specifically Office of the Accountant General in Abuja. So according to different comments, but some words we all know what is going on, but I did not see anything. No. So a lot of comments have been that, don't let me say the obvious, but everybody seems to say that is obvious after they said they shared or they donated billion dollars or trillion naira to help people for the stay-at-home funds, and all of a sudden, pew, money don't go. This is what all these people used to do. You see Abija, all these old Yoruba movies, all the money have disappeared. So anyways, the building is on fire, caught fire. Video went viral. Some guys saying, "Oh, our treasure, our national treasure, blah blah."
Oh my God, Treasury House is on fire and the Nigeria, they can't do anything about it. Oh my goodness. Our national resource is going.
Blah 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 blah. And different things have been happening. People are giving their comments. Some people are giving dumb comments. Some people are giving conspiracy comments. Some people are giving 50-50 comments. Some people are giving intelligence comments. But all this is just my opinion, and let me say opinion of a lot of people. Like, I think I'm part of the majority of what people are thinking. So I think finally, after some hours, the fire got contained. Like, that's just crazy in the first place. Let's even say like the government doesn't even really care about like some housing civilians. Like the National Treasury, let's remove corruption from our mind. National Treasury building, like top government, how will I say put it? Top government buildings need to at least have like maximum security, and we have seen situations whereby even like markets catch fire and all that. Like, I don't think it takes so long before the fire people come. So I don't know, whatever conspiracy theory, or we will say this one is not even conspiracy. We have seen this kind of thing happen many times in Nigeria, whereby a building is burnt and you hear that some documents of so and so funds was missing. But this is so quick. Why is it that I think I saw a Fani Kayode tweet, even though we know that one is supporting how will I put it? He will tweet whatever that is against the government, but can you like go against him now? Like, it's really hard to support this current government, like to even try to like give them a hearing chance or whatever. People started criticizing how will I put it, how the trillion naira was, is it 2 trillion, was shared in 1 week. Less than 24 hours. The people or the person or the department that's supposed to be in charge of it is on fire. So what we say? So as things like this happen, different people will give reactions. Celebrities will jump on it. Influential people will jump on, maybe Twitter influencers, different people will jump on it. So Burna Boy jumps on this. This is unfair. It's unfair.
Naija, hello. You see the new one? Akata General Office don't catch fire. Finance Office don't catch fire. Another. You see how they don't disburse funds. Fire don't catch. Yes, sir. But everything will happen for Nigeria. Nigerians deserve am. Yeah. I talk am so. And I deserve am because to say we the youths or you now we did this Twitter and whatever, if you use that same energy, we will use the tweets NCDC abi wetin that thing. They tweet them, say make them go arrest Funke Akindele, make them do this one, this thing because she dey her house want make you use that same energy we will use. Say make Funke, make innocent woman wey be say she dey work for her money. She dey do wetin she gats do to feed her family. Iya Abeji, una say make dem go arrest. Now she has lost her all her endorsement deal, the way she feel. Make una use that same energy. Tackle una politicians. We don't make una the people that you people have learned to love and embrace.
Naija, hello.
You now they love them, they hate them. Now them they thief your money. Now them they use the public. We will be say everything we will get. Now sweat we use they get them. Nigerians hate that one. Make una use that energy. If not, una go suffer. No worry. This is the beginning. And the finance office don't burn down now. Money don't share. Make una tag. Make una.
Documents don't burn.
Okay, so Burna Boy had some things to say about this issue. Like, okay, Nigeria deserves the government that they got, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that was still partly on point until it got to the Funke Akindele part, saying, why are people not giving the same energy to this as they gave the Funke Akindele situation? And it just doesn't blend at all. Like, education is good, like, and this is something that is very common amongst all these our Nigerian celebrities now. Any small thing now, if you on Twitter, they say that, oh, you are broke, you are this, you are this, you are that, but common sense they don't have. I saw a tweet from Tokeba Kewatu, like, talking about the Nigerians dragging people on Twitter, but they don't have money, blah, this, like. Why are these people like this? Is it their education that is that low, or is it the celebrity status that blocked some of their way of thinking, or deleted some of the things that they studied, or some of the things that are just like common sense? I know, like, in life, even if you go to school, not everyone is. Some people are in science class, some people in commercial classes, some people study politics and all that. So not everyone is going to have like good understanding of certain events, but some things just don't seem right, and it's just like these celebrities they're just following people's hand. It's just crazy. Burna Boy, for instance, that has been like, just, how will I put it? It's not about getting in trouble. He shouts shit. Like, he talks rubbish almost all the time on Twitter. But can you blame him? He's a musician. He sings good music. Sometimes, maybe not so good music. But that's life. If you don't know about some certain things, like, or try to, if you don't know how to balance perspectives, then just keep quiet. I don't think Burna Boy is that educated. I don't even think he went to university to, or it's not about even maybe university, but to understand situations like this. Like, because the things they tweet about or talk about is just like, it makes you like. There are a lot of other celebrities that don't talk about all this kind of thing. What they understand, they talk about it. Simple. It's almost the same thing as a lot of people on social media too. People talk about what they understand, and if they don't understand, maybe they see other people's perspective. I know some influencers can influence can influence people's thoughts, and which is also crazy. Like, already I've been seeing some tweets, like some counter tweets, like people already saying people are dumb for thinking that they will say that the money got burnt. For example, Davido has been catching fun on Twitter, like just tweeting about hey, my popsy money don't go, blah 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 blah. Like, remember Davido's dad donated, I think 500 million, and some other people donated money. So that's crazy. I've been seeing some group of people that are like, oh, Davido doesn't have sense. Like, that's crazy. It's just simple. Same way we always have counter protesters that are protesting when people are talking about or protesting for things of common sense is on Twitter too. There are already people that are already supporting the claim. When will Nigeria change? Only God knows. But whatever this situation is, whether it doesn't even, there's no real right and wrong. Both of them are wrong. Whether they end up coming out and saying, the money did not burn, or the files did not burn in the house, but we shared the 2 trillion in 1 week to people, they've collected it. Is it not still the same thing? It's still the same thing. Both of them doesn't make sense. If the burning of the treasury house is to hide the sharing of the money, or if they come out and say, oh, that one just burnt, we've shared the money, and they can't make arrangement for it. That's not the first time they can't make arrangement for stuff that have been money that have been spent on whatever contracts or whatever. Talk less of sharing money, that they can just go and gather some group of people and tell them that, and just showcase them that these people collected money. They will give them as usual 1,000, 5,000 naira. So that these are the people we gave the money. So simple as ABC. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your opinion about this, and in the comment section below. Thanks for clicking, and see you in the next video. Bye.